Sign into your account and select the device you want to monitor.
Click the installed OPP, then follow the tutorial step by step. First, you must disable Play Protect on the device.
Go to the Play Store. Turn off Scan Apps with Play Protect.
After finishing this, let's install the app.
Open a browser. You can scan the QR code or open the link below. Follow the video step by step to complete the installation. Then you need to enter the registration code. What's more, if you don't want to be detected, you need to clear all the traces. Go to the browser you used to download SpyX, tap the three dots in the top right corner, flick Clear Browsing Data and Clear. Then go to Home Screen, find My Files and Open. Long tap on Update Service. Move to Trash and delete in the trash. The last step is to hide SpyX.
Follow the video to do that.
There's no trace of it on the phone.
After completing all the steps,
the monitored data can then be viewed in the dashboard. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.